6 months ago, I got exclusive access to tour Beverly Hills' most secretive neighborhoods, places where Google Street View is literally blocked and security guards escort you everywhere. What I discovered about where the ultra-wealthy actually live will change everything you think you know about Beverly Hills. What if I told you there's a street in Beverly Hills where the average home costs $50 million, but it's not even the most expensive area? In fact, there are 14 other places that might shock you even more. I'm about to reveal the 15 most exclusive places to live in Beverly Hills that most people have never even heard of, including one neighborhood where celebrities pay $100,000 just for the privilege of parking their cars. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which 15 areas separate the millionaires from the rest. Stick around because number 7 will completely blow your mind. Hey luxury lovers! Welcome back to my channel where we explore the world's most exclusive destinations. If you're new here and you love getting inside access to places money can't usually buy, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell because we're diving deep into Beverly Hills' best-kept secrets today. And trust me, by the end of this video, you'll know more about Beverly Hills than 99% of people who actually live there. Now, before we jump in, I want to be clear. This isn't your typical Beverly Hills tour. We're not talking about the touristy spots or even the places you see in movies. These are the 15 areas where real wealth lives, where privacy costs millions, and where your neighbors might include tech billionaires, movie moguls, and royalty. So grab your favorite drink, get comfortable, and let's explore the most exclusive zip code in America. 9 times out of 10, when someone says, "I'm moving to Beverly Hills," they've never seen Trousdale at sunrise, never smelled the night-blooming jasmine on the flats, and think South Beverly is just a cheaper rodeo. So let's fix that. In the next 15 minutes, I'm giving you the same cheat sheet I hand my clients. 15 micro neighborhoods, each with its own soundtrack, price tag, and weird little secret. I'm Jordan Carter. Yes, I'm the guy who actually sells these places. And by the end, you'll know whether you belong behind a guard gate or on a bike-friendly block where the lemonade stand still takes Venmo. Let's roll. Number 1, the flats. The streets are flat, the palms are tall, and kids still ride bikes like it's 1985. Homes? Anywhere from 5 to 15 million. But what you're really buying is the 2-block stroll to El Rodeo Elementary and a farmer's market where the guy selling peaches remembers your dog's name. If you want the 90210 zip code without the hill workout, this is your block party. And speaking of training wheels, drop a comment below and let me know. If money wasn't an issue, would you start in the flats or go straight for the most expensive area? I'm curious to see what you guys think. Number 2, Golden Triangle. Condos above Valentino, valet guys who know your coffee order, and Mastro's 5 minutes away, assuming traffic's napping. 2 million gets you a tidy 2-bed with a view of Wilshire. 10 million gets you a top-floor penthouse where the elevator opens straight into your living room. Here, architecture hopscotches from 1920s Spanish to 2020 Hayes glass. You're not just in the city, you're wearing it. Number 3, South Beverly Drive. Louder, younger, and, shock, actually affordable. Starter houses start around 3 million, condos at 1.5, and the city's best spicy tuna roll is literally underneath your apartment. Expect elevator small talk with surgeons, TikTokers, and that one pop star incognito in Dodgers gear. Number 4, Beverly Hills Post Office. The address still says 90210, but technically you're in LA proper, which means bigger lots, darker skies, and the rare sound of silence. Entry's about 2 million. Push to 6, and you're looking at an acre, a guest house, and maybe even a citrus grove. School districts flip-flop here, BHUSD versus LAUSD, so ping me if you care about resale math. But wait until you hear about our number 9 pick. There's a neighborhood in Beverly Hills where the Homeowners Association fees alone cost more than most people's annual salaries. We'll get to that in just a few minutes, but first let me tell you about a place that's been called the American Versailles. Number 5, Trousdale Estates. Mid-century bones cantilevered over the city like they're posing for Vogue. Drone-free skies, thanks to the FAA and some very expensive attorneys, means celebrities can swim laps without ending up on TMZ. $7 million opens the door. $40 million buys you a Nutra with infinity views and a wine cellar you could land a drone in, if it were allowed. Number 6. North Beverly Park. Gate closes, city disappears. Lots run 1 to 4 acres. Neighbors include Oscar winners and the guy who invented the thing on your phone. $20 million just gets you the key card. Another 5 buys hedges so thick even Google Earth gives up. Security makes LAX look chill, on purpose. Number 7. South Beverly Park. Same guard gate, slightly smaller yards, slightly smaller price, 12 to 30 million-ish. Architecture skews modern. Kids Uber to Harvard Westlake in blacked-out sprinters with snack trays. But Beverly Park isn't even in our top 5. In fact, the area I'm about to reveal at number 8 has property taxes that exceed most people's entire annual income. Plus, I'll show you the one street where owning property literally comes with its own concierge service. Keep watching because we're just getting to the really exclusive stuff. Number 8. Mulholland Estates. Gated, guarded, and sitting on the ridgeline like it's auditioning for a music video. Celebrity density is ridiculous. Grammy winners, Lakers legends, someone who plays a superhero on weekends. $8 million starts the bidding. The houses revolve around pools, outdoor cinemas, and panic rooms masquerading as wine cellars. Number 9. Benedict Canyon. Trade city lights for coyote karaoke. Homes hide behind gates and oak groves. $4 million gets you a project, 12 gets you a turnkey showpiece with a view that makes you whisper. If privacy were a currency, this canyon would mint it. Before we continue, I want to ask you guys something. Have you ever wondered what it would be like to live in a place where your driveway costs more than most people's houses? Let me know in the comments what you think the most important luxury amenity would be for you. Number 10. Coldwater Canyon. 10 minutes closer to the Valley Studios, so every other driveway has a Tesla that says DGA Director. Mid-century and new-build contemporaries tucked into lush hills run 3 to 10 million. Bonus, the hiking trail at dawn doubles as a networking mixer. Number 11. Franklin Canyon. The city's best-kept secret. No cut-through traffic, lots so big you need a golf cart, and a reservoir that looks like you've teleported to Big Sur. Prices are soft for now, 2.5 to 6 million, because GPS still thinks it's a park. That loophole's closing. Speaking of the right kind of rich, wait until you hear about our top 3 picks. Number 3 is a single street where the minimum property value is $75 million. And our number 1 pick? Let's just say it's where you go when Beverly Hills isn't exclusive enough. But first, let me tell you about a place where celebrities go to hide from other celebrities. Number 12, Beverlywood adjacent. Not technically Beverly Hills, but the school district lets the kids in anyway. Streets are lined with single-story ranches and lemon trees old enough to vote. 2.5 to 4 million buys you 2,500 square feet and neighbors who host block parties with bounce houses and questionable karaoke. Number 13, South Carthay. Historic Spanish duplexes, strollers on every porch, and the kind of Halloween candy that bankrupts Costco. 1.8 for a townhome, 2.7 for a detached 2-bed. You're 5 minutes from the Beverly Center, but your water bill still pretends you live in LA, because you do. Before we reveal our top 4, I want to remind you to subscribe if you haven't already. These kinds of insider details about the world's most exclusive neighborhoods are exactly what we cover on this channel, and trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming up. Number 14, Beverlywood HOA. Guard gates, tennis courts, and a community pool that smells like sunscreen and chlorine-scented nostalgia. $3 million and up, plus HOA fees that feel like pocket change. The social committee here has more sway than the mayor, and they use it to organize epic 4th of July parades. Number 15, Pico Robertson Border. Kosher bakeries open at dawn, Persian markets that stock 30 kinds of feta, and public schools that punch way above their weight class. Houses run 2 to 4 million, and on any given weekend you can walk to Shabbat dinner, Nowruz fireworks, or an Emmy winner's backyard barbecue, sometimes all 3. If you're already muttering, okay, but which one has parking for my surfboard and a yard for the dog? Hit like so YouTube shows this to other people who ask the same questions. And subscribe, Next week, I'm breaking down what $2 million actually buys you in each of these spots right now. Spoiler, prices move faster than your Zillow refresh. So there you have it. The 15 most exclusive places to live in Beverly Hills, from the flats where mere millionaires start their journey, all the way up to the Greystone Estate area where generational wealth creates its own reality. What amazes me about Beverly Hills is how it creates these different levels of exclusivity. Each area we've talked about represents not just different price points, but different approaches to luxury living. Some focus on views, others on privacy, and the most exclusive ones offer something that money alone can't buy: genuine scarcity. Now I want to hear from you. Which of these 15 areas surprised you the most? Did you know that places like the Bird Streets existed with their $50,000 monthly HOA fees? Or were you shocked to learn about neighborhoods where properties never even come to market? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and while you're down there, make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed this deep dive into Beverly Hills luxury. Subscribe for more exclusive content about the world's most expensive and exclusive destinations. We've got some incredible locations coming up that will blow your mind. And speaking of exclusive destinations, next week we're exploring the 10 most expensive streets in Manhattan, including one address where apartments start at $100 million and go up from there. You won't want to miss that, so make sure to hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching, luxury lovers, and remember, dream big, because you never know where life might take you. I'll see you in the next video.